Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be discussing about static routing. We will follow it up with an example to understand it better and also discuss its advantages in a network. So, what is static routing? Static routing is a method used in computer networking to manually configure the paths that network packets should take to reach the destination. In static routing, network administrators manually define the routes in the routing table of networking devices such as routers and switches without relying on dynamic routing protocols that automatically learn and update the routes. Let's break down this definition and understand it using an example. So imagine sending a letter. Think of sending a letter from your house, which is computer A, to your friend's house, computer B, in another part of town. To send the letter, you need to decide the best way to get it there. Static routing, it's like having a mailing plan for this letter. With static routing, it's as if you create a special mailing plan before you send the letter. In this plan, you write down exactly which post office, that is the router, the letter should go to, and which road, that is the path it should take. This plan does not change unless you update it. Now, suppose your mailing plan for the letter is like so. From your house, the computer A, you put the letter in your mailbox, your computer. You've already decided that the best post office, router X, to send the letter to is the one on the Elm Street. So the letter goes from your mailbox to router X using Elm Street. From router X, you've decided it should take Maple Avenue to reach your friend's house, computer B. That's how the letter is going to reach your friend. Similarly, packets follow the path that are manually configured to reach a specific destination from a specific source. Now, let's discuss about its advantages in a network. First of all, simplicity. Static routing is straightforward to configure and understand. Network administrators manually define the routes, making it easy to set up, troubleshoot, and maintain. Next up is predictability. Since routers are predetermined and do not change unless manually updated, network behavior is predictable. This can be beneficial for ensuring stable communication paths in environments where changes are infrequent or carefully controlled. Lower resource overhead. Static routing consumes fewer network resources such as CPU and memory compared to dynamic routing protocols. This efficiency is particularly valuable in resource-constrained environments. Enhanced security. Static routes can be used to create a predictable control network topology. By specifying routes explicitly, administrators can limit the path the data takes, reducing the risk of unauthorized access and data leakages. Reduce network traffic. Dynamic routing protocols exchange routing information, leading to more network traffic and potential overhead. In contrast, static routing doesn't generate additional traffic because routes are manually configured and does not require periodic updates. Next up, it is suitable for simpler networks. Static routing is well suited for small to medium sized networks with a relatively simple and stable topology. In such environments, the benefits of dynamic routing may not outweigh the added complexity. Quick implementation. Static routes can be set up quickly, making them suitable for temporary or emergency situations where immediate routing changes are necessary. Stability. In situations where network changes are rare or carefully planned, static routing provides stability because routes remain unchanged unless explicitly modified. This helps prevent unexpected route fluctuations. Now, despite these advantages, it is important to note that static routing may not be the best choice for every network. It's less adaptive to changes and not suitable for very large and complex networks with frequently changing topologies. In such cases, dynamic routing protocols like OSPF and BGP are typically preferred. The choice between static and dynamic routing depends on the specific requirements and goals. That's it for today's video. I hope you find this insightful. The next video that I will be uploading is going to be a lab video in packet tracer for static routing. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye.